Yara to tell us something about you. Ako si Gina Yara, 27 years old. I'm an ex-cancer patient already. I had an operation last January. My left breast was, I don't know if it was partly removed or it was removed. There's something there still. You can see that I am young and parang maisip niyo ito, wala, she's so young and she has cancer. But actually weighing the pros and cons of what happened to me, I'd say that mas marami yung magandang nangyari sa akin. Although masakit yung initial na sakit pa yung nag-open ng eyes ko. First, it made me closer to my family, which I think also, I would say happened to all of you also. No? And second, parang naisip ko lang, I thought to myself that this is my rite of passage. I have a better life now, I think. And so I have a better life now and thinking that napaka-araw ko na, malas ko na, ang hirap. It's so hard to have a disease like mine. No? And then, it made my life better. If I go now, or even amongst you, if you think that you go now, at least it has made your life better. Mas maganda, mas nag-tolerate ka sa iba, and you have a certain line already of where you're going. You know, from this is the way I'm going, I won't go left, I won't go right. So meron ka ng conviction. And then, kung hindi naman ako mawala ngayon, swerte lalo din, gumanda pa yung life. And nothing, I cannot say anything, it's just that you must always think, even if you're still a cancer, if you're undergoing chemotherapy, which I did for 10 months, always consider yourself as you're a warrior, no? You're fighting against something within yourself. And just think that you're always a winner. Okay, thank you, Sheila. Okay, let's call on Mr. Arthur Taco to say something. Mr. Taco.
Good morning, everybody. As already introduced to you, I am Arthur Taco. I'm a businessman. I had a sickness in 1983, and I was the sickness of the colon. And Dr. Roson was the one who operated me. It took him from 9 o'clock in the morning, and the operation was finished up to 5 o'clock. I was awakened in the recovery room at 6 o'clock. And since then, I did not undergo chemotherapy from cobalt X-ray. From time to time, I went to see Dr. Roson, and he said, I'm all right. Up to now, it's already 5 years. He said, I'm already safe. I would like to express my gratitude at this opportunity to Dr. Roson for what he did to me. I owe my life to him. Thank you very much.